Shuffle around in the bottom. There we go. First number is...
1-8-0-0.
I think this is correct. 2, 5, 5, 9.
2559. Is that your stop? Check niyo muna ang mga stop ninyo. Baka ikaw yung 2559.
We have a winner.
Do we have a winner? Taas niyo ang kamay niyo kung kayo ang winner. Okay. We're gonna pick 3 more numbers and then we're gonna count down. Pag hindi sila dumating, ibig sabihin magbungat ulit tayo, ha? So, next number is...
Next number is 1684.
1684. Now, pag binunot ka ni Nikun, if he pulls out your number, please make your way to the left side of the stage. Alright? Okay, next
Now,
one.
our third number.
Is that you? Aba, naiiyak na talaga si ate. Oh my gosh! Did all 4 of them show up? Do we have all 4 of our winners? Sino yung mga nabunot? Dalawa pa lang sila?
We have
How
one.
many? 1,
We have 2.
2?
We need 2
We have
more.
any more of them? Yung dalawa pa. May dalawa pa, di ba? Panawagin ba yung number ninyo? Alright, while we're waiting for the other 2, we're gonna call up everybody from our friends from Bench who want to take pictures
Okay.
with you. Guys from
Okay.
Bench, if you can come up
Come
to
on,
take
Bench.
pictures. So, meron na tayong dalawa na nabunot na numbers. Umiiyak na si ate dito sa side talaga.